What's going on? Boot leather, auto repair, double up in front of you. Working on a starter on a 5.7 Hemi 2006 Ram 1500 4x4. I'm finna show you how to get it done. Good thing about it, if you're small, you don't even need a jack. You can let it fit up under the truck. Let me show you how to get straight to it. Y'all follow me as we go. All you need is a 15 ratchet to break the bolt, but you're gonna need a 15mm socket, extensions. You need a short ratchet to get in there so you can turn to break the bolts loose. And let me show you what we got. As you see, the starter's down already. It's hanging. This starter is on the driver's side, right above the drive shaft, the front of the drive shaft, right here in this cubby hole. Let me back this camera out for y'all. Okay, so the starter sits right here. That's the flywheel. Straight from the driver's side, come straight right here, boom. This starter has two bolts to hold it in. Now, let me come back a little bit so I can show you. The hardest bolt to get to is the bolt. It's right here at the bottom. You can see it. This bolt right here is behind this housing bracket, but you can get to it, you can access it if you can see it. The second bolt is the bolt that is still in and right here. So you got one at the top, you got one at the bottom. Hopefully you can see that because I can't. But that bolt is right here behind here at the bottom, and you can see the top bolt up there already. Once you get both of those bolts loose, your starter comes straight out. You back them up, pull the head out, let the starter face and hang down like so. Once it's hanging, you have a 1/2 inch bolt on the back to hold on the power wire. 1/2 inch bolt. And the hardest thing I have found out right now with taking this starter all the way out is this yellow cable cord that just clamps on, but it seems like it has, I don't know, corroded or got stuck on, but that wire right there. But you don't want to break this because it has to latch back on. So I guess I'm going to suck it down with some PB blaster or something just to get it loose. I done pushed the clamp, pushed it, like, try to lift it. It just seemed like it's stuck on there, probably melted a little bit. But how to get a starter out of a Hemi on 2006 Ram 1500 4x4. That's real quick and simple. And hey, hope you got some. Like, subscribe, comment. Leave me comments about whatever other vehicle you need some work on. Probably have a video done to it. I can post it for you. Boot leather auto repair, double up in front of you. I'm out.